Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Kraken tips for day trader. So here's a breakdown. If you're day trading on Kraken, these quick easy tips can help you trade smarter, not harder. First, always use stop loss order to protect your capital. Since crypto moves very fast, a stop loss helps you lock in risk limit before things go south. Next, focus on high liquidity pair like BTC USD and Ethereum USD. They have tighter spread and fewer price gap, which is perfect for quick entry and exit. Also, use limit order instead of market order when possible. Limit order help you control your exact entry and exit, which is your exit price, which matters a lot in short-term trading. Keep an eye on volume and key level, which is your support and resistance level on your chart. Also use volume spike often to confirm real move instead of fake out. Also take advantages of Kraken's price alert so you don't miss setup while you are away from your screen. Finally, manage your risk. Trade smaller size, set realistic profit target, and never add to a losing portion. Day trading is fast, but consistency is rule to keep you in the game longer. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more quick crypto tips, and comment which pair you would like to trade most or you would like to trade first. And that's it.